Okay. I need a hat. Not that one. I just played pickleball all night in it. This will be the environment from now on. I will make videos during the day, hopefully, but this will be the environment. This is my bedroom. 1-bedroom apartment, you know, chilling. Got the desk. I'll show you. Got the desk. Laptop. Interface. Xbox. It's all a man needs. I am not setting up my 8-inch studio monitors in here because that would be absolutely ridiculous. I'm getting Wi-Fi tomorrow, so I'll be able to make like actual videos. But I just wanted to make a little preview with the GoPro as my camera because I plugged into the like little splitter thing and ran it into the media mod for the GoPro at church today after we did some recording. And it sounded really good. So I'm excited to be making some content and letting other people use it because it's really easy. So let's do it. That I played it with a Gretsch on Sunday, and I forgot that they were lower output, so I like turned my gain up on everything. I really liked how that sounded though, but I need to go back and like regain stage because that was a lot. I don't know, I couldn't tell if it was like felt gain, like the actual gain from the pedals, but it was the same volume. That's why I kept checking the levels, but they look the same. So also got this gas strap. I've got this one's from Fender. I've got one from Gibson coming in. I'm gonna see which one I like better, and then I'll put the one that I don't like on guitar that I don't play as much, which is my Strat. So anyways, that's like a little overview. I miss playing, I miss making videos, so hopefully we'll get back to that soon. Much love, I guess. Tell somebody about Jesus. That's why we're here. Doses.